Just to show you what the landscape is like. This is October 4th today, and it still is so beautiful. Our Russian daisies are just in their full glory. These pictures are actually now from October 17th, and as you can see, it's still beautiful.
Well, good morning. It's Saturday morning. I got the salmon and the rabbit in the smoker, my homemade smoker, as you can see. It's a Coleman smoker that Chuck and I made a little addition to it. We put on a chimney and it goes up into the wooden box, and we smoke our salmon, and this is the first time for rabbit. Johnny told me that rabbit smoked is quite good. So here we go, giving her a try.
These are little ones. Mama's got them by the pond this morning, and they're going for their morning swim. Papa's right behind them, making sure that nothing happens to them. Here they are. Look on the pond. They're so cute. There's 9 of them. Here's Mama. It's okay, Mama. So here we are, getting ready for our pergola potluck dinner tonight. Grant's bringing down chairs. We're setting everything up, decorating with the cornstalk. Well, we're all set for our pergola potluck. We have the tables all set up, the flowers out, cornstalks, all decorating everything. Our pot of water ready to boil the corn. Just our bar set up. Grant's putting the last touches with the ice. We have our TV here for the music videos we're going to do. Fire pit's ready. Hi, Grant.
Here's more or less unloading the squash for the do tonight here at the Falcon Ridge Farms, and taking everything in here to the store. This is marvelous, yes. So there we go. Fine day out there at the crop, picking the veggies.
Here are our 3 little ducks. It's early in the morning and they're enjoying the sunshine. We're down to 3 from 9. Hawks, owls. Here's our peacock. She's we've sold her offspring, and now she's on her own, and she keeps hanging around with the baby ducks. I think we sold them at 6 weeks. Anyway, we sold her babies at 6 weeks, but next year I'm not going to sell them until they're at least 2.5 months, because she didn't have enough time to nurture them long enough.
Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning. Marlis and her dad yesterday planted 7,800 bulbs of garlic here, and I'm just covering it with the straw from the wheat that we did this year. Anyway, here we go. Just before I get it all covered up, this area here, along here, all the garlic is about 1 to 2 inches underneath the ground. Then we spread the straw on top, and it helps keep the moisture in the summer and keep the weeds out and stuff like that. So there you go. That's our garlic story for today.
Houdini is limping. He got into a scrap with the male turkey, and his cut has healed, but he's still limping. So Dad has been working on replacing our corner posts here. It was rotten, and he has finished it, and now he's just fine-tuning it. 90 years young, and he's still doing heavy work like this. He's happy. The level is great. Okay, yeah.
And now I'll go and get the drill, put that thing in.
Okay. Okay, look at our beautiful level fence. Dad replaced this corner post and everything's tight.
Too bad we didn't have the right post to do it this time.
Well, we've got a few other posts to replace, so.
Yep.
This is so cute. Here is Mama and Daddy, Houdini and Missy, and her 3 babies perched up on the picnic bench. Can you see them? They're just enjoying the sun. We have harvested our corn and our garlic, planted new garlic. We've rototilled the field and cleaned everything up for winter. The garden is all cleaned up, rototilled. We had 2 nights of frost there a few weeks ago, but now the weather is still beautiful, and we still have Swiss chard, beets, some onions still on the ground and using them. It is October 17th, and Jenny is still laying on her eggs, and they should be due any day. We have things set up so she has an extended area here so the hawks don't get her babies. And it's late in the season, but she wants to have babies. She lost her 1 baby to hawks, and she's tried again. So any day now.